everybody! Oh god, my voice. Hey everybody, and welcome to Sonic and Tails. This is Savage Kids channel, but we're here, me and Tails are here. I can't seem to find Tails though, but me and Tails are here to... Gosh, Gosh, you scared me. I can't. Gosh, you scared me, Tails. No, seriously, that was actually a little scary. But are we gonna go get some chili dogs? What are we doing at the castle?
We're at the Hive minigames.
Oh, just build? Okay. I have no idea what this is. Duos. Teams of 2, I think. Yeah! Whoa! Sonic, look at that. Dude, that looks like one of Dr. Eggman's super mechs. Whoa!
Sonic, I could build this in real life. Totally.
Dang. A gift! Nice!
A gift box. Alright, make your mine right here. Make like a good square shape.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I need this. 1,
I'm
2,
really good
3,
at building in real life, but I don't know how good I am at building in Minecraft.
Yeah, in this game, this prison of a world, like, remember how we got here? Remember how we found out how to transport ourselves to Minecraft?
That happened in one of my inventions, like,
Yeah, I remember it being, we walked into Dr. Eggman's, he had all 4 of the Chaos Emeralds, and
and Phantom Ruby, remember?
yeah, and like the machine blew up, and then we were in here, and we found out how to get back and also enter whenever we want, so we can be out and in whenever we want. So we're actually in the game right now, which is actually amazing.
Yeah, and we can both fly still.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't have to hold you anymore. Remember I had to hold you all the time?
Oh god. And when we were running on water, I had to hold you? Ugh.
Yeah.
Well, that was a long time ago. Now we're just traveling wherever we want to be through the dimensions. What?
Is that a good square?
Is that a what?
Is this a good square?
Yeah. But we have very limited time. We only have like 4 minutes right now. And it's changing into 3 minutes. Oh God. For the love of chili dogs, no!
Sonic, why do you like chili dogs so much?
I don't know, it's cool. It's a nice mixture of Frito chips and, well, chili, and also hot dogs, making this delicious, crispy exterior.
Okay.
Oh,
I didn't need to hear a word of that, but okay.
Oh. Well, that was, a bummer.
What's the time?
2:18, which means we're at 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
We gotta get going.
3 minutes. 3. It's not 2 just yet. Well, it's about to be 2. Oh gosh. There's no way I'm finishing this. Tails, go, go, go!
Add like a little bow.
Yeah, we gotta add a bow.
I'm not good at building bows, Sonic.
Same. I got a rumbling in my tummy from eating all those chili dogs. Oh God. Tails, I do not feel so great. Oh.
Okay, Sonic, I know that.
Yeah.
Why did you even eat all those chili dogs?
I don't know! Curse you, chili dog eating competition! And also thank you for the money. Dude, the Chaos Emeralds are shining. I can see a big... Oh, wait. No, that's just a leaf. Oh, gosh. We have 1 minute.
There, that's a good bow. That's a good bow. I'm gonna make somebody happy. It's like... La 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 la.
Copyright.
There, 4 kids looking at the present. Actually,
Dude, I'm just gonna go nuts with it. And hope that it looks good. I'm just gonna make a giant blob, literally. Dude, it's almost hands off.
hurry, Sonic!
Done. Why is mine like that? Man, I could have made like a... If we had more time, I could have made a Sonic plush of me. A me plush inside. Just in time.
That would look really good.
Yeah. Oh, no. Is that report?
Yeah. You have to go home. Why is there an impossible character here? Copyrighted.
Dang
I
it.
really like it though.
Yeah, I mean, it really does look like a sussy vodka. I didn't vote. It's okay, I think. It kind of reminds me of a chili dog, and I kind of want to eat it. There we go. There's my fastness. Woohoo! Oh, is there something in here? Diamonds! Who gives their child diamonds? Jeez. I mean, it's really good, to be honest. Dark blue, you're kind of good at this. Please don't be inappropriate. Okay, thank you. That's a lot of people. Oh, this is ours. Why'd you put a bunch of people? Why are everybody voting ours Ms? That's not... Oh! Is that inappropriate? I think that's inappropriate. Cut to break. Cut to break. Tails? Tails? Tails, you're muted.
I have to do something.
Okay. I think I saw something inappropriate. What was that? Was that inappropriate? I can't fully look at it because I'm only a spectator. Sorry, spectator. And plus, I'm only a teenager. Tails is like a baby, I think. Okay, I think that's inappropriate. A lot of these people have a very bad idea on what's actually good things. Oh gosh. I'm not sure about that. I think that's just a doll or something. Yeah, somebody voted this inappropriate. I don't... Okay. This is fine. I don't know what Tails is doing. What is... Tails doing? Not so sure, but I'm gonna break the barrier. Oh, dang it, I can't break the barrier. Okay, oh, this is great. This is great. He's like, oh, a present. And there's a sussy vodka. One, go. Game over. Oh, come on. Yeah, we didn't make it. Tails. Tails. No, Tails. Tails. Tails, exit top. No. Tails. Tails. Oh, dang it. Where's he gone off to now? Let's see if he'll join this. Join? Join. Nice. Tails oh, okay. That's not good. A lot of these people are all BB. They're all blurby. Okay, that's it's not good. I gotta find Tails. Tails! Tails, the round is over and now we're in murder mystery. Tails! Tails! Dude, I'm freaking out. Where did he go? Oh, I think he's gone. Oh no. I think Tails died. No! No, Tails! 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 Tails, you're in the field! Your position! Tails!
Ah, sorry. I got kicked.
You weren't murderer, that means, but, I need you to wait in the lobby. Oh gosh, this is actually freaking me out. Tails is gone and I'm the last one left. And everything's purple too. I'm gonna have to leave the round if I die. I'm gonna have to, like, leave all of Minecraft because everything's all purple.
What about we play a different world? Like a survival world?
I thought we were playing Hive together for this video.
Oh, yeah.
No, chili dogs.
Maybe we should play some CubeCraft.
Some CubeCraft? Okay. Okay. I'm staying here with my bow and I'm going to camp somewhere.
Actually, let's just play the Hive.
Yeah, that'll be fun. But I have to exit out of Minecraft though. This whole video is just the Hive, so yeah, I guess.
Every single episode is probably gonna be the Hive.
Probably not. It's probably just gonna be like a server. Oh god. This guy's looking a little sus. You're a little sus, mister. Oh, someone
When are
died.
we ending the video? I feel like it's been like 20 minutes.
I don't know, man. It's been 46.
That's like the time limit of a video.
Yeah, I know, right? Luckily, I have a bunch of battery. Oh, gosh. Oh, that was terrifying. Tails, you will not believe how terrified I was. Dude, he got 22. Okay, I gotta exit out of Minecraft. Ooh, everybody, that was an intense round. Well, I think I'm going to end this episode right here after all of the things that have happened. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!